Hey guys, it's Saturday morning. We're in Perry, Georgia, getting ready to head out to Honda Fest at the Georgia Fairgrounds. So we hope to see you guys there.
Hope to see you there, guys. We're heading out now. Nice little Airbnb right here in Perry, Georgia. Place looks nice. Nice, right, Mike?
Yeah.
So, heading out, the whole crew. See you guys there. Boom. Hey, Uncle.
Uncle, how are you?
You made
What's
it.
up?
We out here in Perry, you know. We got Uncle Hawa here. You made it in no time, man. I'm coming back with you.
Oh, okay. All right.
I got you.
Hey, what's up, puppy?
Good.
65.
Sone. Clean. Easy gang gang. We just got here, guys. Looking sick. The original, the one and only, the JDI.
Morning, guys. What's up, boys? How we doing?
Where the rest of the guys at?
Right there.
Right here. Oh, okay.
Oh, really? Solo, huh?
That's cool.
Good morning.
What's up? What's up,
All right,
man? Good to see you again.
You too.
good? Can't wait.
I know.
You guys, you know who this man is?
I don't know who this man is.
What's up, man?
Nobody knows who this man is. I'm just an employee. What's going on?
Nice spot.
It's a beautiful spot, man. Thank you guys for coming out. Thank you for all the support.
This first time in Perry, Georgia? You're doing it in Perry, Georgia?
First time in Perry, Georgia. It might be the event for the South. We might not be doing Florida anymore. It might be.
Oh, okay, just so the Florida can come up and people close by can come down.
Exactly. That way we have an indoor-outdoor
That's
event.
good move. And they treat you nice here. Everything's good. The love is good.
All the love is good so far.
Okay, cool. All right, cool, man.
Always a pleasure, man.
What do you guys think about this one? J Racing kit. Mud. Can't get no better than this. Execution perfect.
So we're finally here at Honda Fest. Finally just finished setting up. A little bit of a hiccups here and there, forgetting a few things, and had to run back to the Airbnb. But we are now set up, and the show I believe doesn't start until noon, so we've got about a little more than an hour until it opens. The gates open up for everybody. But the VIP and show cars are coming in slowly but surely, and it seems like it's going to be a really nice event. Weather's perfect, honestly, and first time here, so we hope to see everyone here.
EK for days, guys. Nice EG. Guys, don't forget T-Man, check this out. Represent S1 Bill Overdrive kit. Nice car, man.
Appreciate it.
How long did it take you to build something like this?
Well, I've had the car for about 12 years. I initially started the trailer project probably about 6 years ago, but it sat for about 3.5 until I got talking to a buddy of mine up in Connecticut. He's known as NS Extra. He's a half car NSX. Followed his build, and then he basically gave me the inspiration to kind of finish it.
Finish it.
I changed the
He
design.
has the same thing like this, and half NSX or no?
Yeah.
Oh, nice, very nice.
Yeah, he has the half car NSX. I mean, if you're on Instagram, you've probably seen it or come across it. And basically, I saw how he did some of his stuff, and I don't want to say I copied. I just took inspiration from it.
Well, it's definitely nice, man. Definitely stands out.
Yep.
Hey, what you got over there? Like the radio? What?
Yeah. So I got radio. Trailer has its own battery, its own air system, and its own underglow and everything.
Nice, nice. Check it out, guys. What do you guys think? Innovative? Give him a follow.
They have all the websites.
What do you guys think of this Ridgeline? Ultimate. Oh, what do you think of the Ridgeline?
I got one, you know.
You got one like this?
My dad can't drive anymore. He can't see.
Got it? So you gonna chase off it?
There's some bags in it.
Bag it out.
We're gonna go outside later.
There's dogs drag racing outside. Dude, they have a there's a straightaway.
Yeah.
They run after the thing. The second they go, the time starts. When they hit the end, the time ends. That's drag racing to me. That's what there's dogs drag racing.
What up, brother? What up? Good to see you, bro. Mother and daughter here.
I was gonna bring my son, but he changed his mind last minute.
I see you, sister. What are you guys doing today?
We're doing a giveaway on these work Meisters right here.
Oh, for real?
Yep.
You can get them in 4-lug and 5-lug or just 4-lug?
So this one is just 4-lug. So on our page on Instagram and Facebook, we do different, lug patterns, different wheels.
Is it just for today? This one?
This one just is a live drawing. So
Yeah,
you won't have to be here. So we'll give you a ticket. You write your name, your phone number.
And you have to be here for it, right?
You don't have to be here for it.
Oh, you don't have to be here,
We'll deliver
okay.
to you, or we'll ship it to you if you're out of state.
Oh, nice.
Yes.
What size?
This is a 15x8 with a plus 22.
15x8.
Look nice on my drag.
Nice. Yeah, nice to all we drive. Yeah.
Hey, dude, if you always outset it with some fatties on here,
Yeah, this will look nice to the old dress up.
you can have good odds right now.
Good odds right now, bro. Go ahead and get 100.
I'm a TE guy. I'm a TE guy.
Whatever.
Somebody's winning it, man. No matter how many teams we got in here. Soul's taking these wheels home.
Somebody's winning it tonight. How long you been in business?
2 years.
3 years?
Yeah.
Going good?
Yeah, we working every day, so
Nice.
Yeah.
That's good, man. That's good.
thank you.
What are these right here? They're stickers or posters? Are these stickers or posters?
These are actually, so it goes on the shirts, actually.
Oh, it goes on the
These
shirt.
are our designs already made.
Okay.
Press it right here.
You press them right there. Okay, cool. Nice. Nice, man.
It can be a poster.
Yeah, it looks like a dope poster, bro. EG6, alright, cool. What do you guys think? Oh, this is it. That's my car right there. Oh, check him out. The cleaner. What up, bro? Nice, man. Nice products out here.
Yes.
Everything. You local?
We're in beautiful Georgia.
Georgia. What's it? You got Instagram and all that?
Oh, yeah.
What's Instagram?
Gibson _ Detail Supplies.
Okay, cool. Picking up, what do you guys think of this one? Picking this one up. Sick. Yo, I saw you come over there, but I was like, yo, you good?
Yes, sir. S1.
S1, man. The cat looks wicked, my ear.
Thank you, man. Thank you.
Tough. So you guys hanging out the whole day or what?
Say again? Oh, yeah.
Yeah, doing all right, man. Good luck.
But I mean, do the 1000cc ones are they all E85 compatible? Yeah. Are they? What do you think? You don't have to buy it all at once.
Race last year. So she and Steven Sudney is also like they've been customers for a while.
Yeah.
And they just moved here to Georgia from California.
Oh, nice. Nice to meet you.
So this concludes Honda Fest here in Georgia. It's been an awesome day. Weather was really nice, great turnout, and we hope to see you guys next time.
Good.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. You get behind the wheel, build it your Honda's built. It's military grade, but this is not a drill. It's American made, but we all-wheel drive the world. I see them changing the game, S1 always will. Got them cars killing speeds and just sound like artillery. It's all-wheel indeed, almost like a war machine, like it's meant for the infantry, Air Force, Navy, Army, and Marines. Now they clock triple-digit speeds, and they got them on the bases. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all-wheels gripping pavement. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, you gon' want a test run. All-wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1 all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton. All-wheel gripping, 4-wheel gripping. S1 all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton. Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got them on the skeleton. Them wheels are always gripping, don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah, warming up that A6. The Florida got the street cred, roaring down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B-Series or a ZC, and that LSV tech, hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at, yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips and ain't no 12 to catch us. So K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1 all-wheel drive, got the mind of skeleton.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get